right, so made it to London Heathrow, and I just missed the train. I'm waiting for my next train there. I was just a few minutes late for this one, so I gotta wait a few more minutes. Gonna head right down to London Paddington, and hopefully the goal is to get to Freddie Mercury's house. That's the goal today, and maybe see the London Bridge. Who knows? Made it in the train.
Heathrow Express tickets are not valid on this service.
And we'll head down to London Paddington. That's where we're going. That's where we're headed. Empty train though, really empty train. All right, so behind me is the late Freddie Mercury's house. Garden Lodge. Goes from that tip down there. There's one of the doors, and all the way up there is the delivery door. It's on a very quiet road, by the way. Not a lot going on. It's kind of quiet, but it's peaceful over here.